Pakistani authorities have declined India's request to send an inquiry commission to interrogate 2611 mastermind Zakir Rahman Lakhvi. India had earlier sent an official letter expressing its willingness to allow a Pakistani commission to visit India to interview key officials linked with the probe into the 2008 Mumbai attacks. Well, Pakistan's blow to India comes right after India itself has agreed in principle to let a commission from Pakistan come down to record statements from the investigating officer and other authorities who had apprehended the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists on the night of 26/11. But that has definitely not been reciprocated by Pakistan. Let's go across to Nikunj Garg, who's joining us with more details on this story. Nikunj, it just clearly shows Pakistan's double standards.
Well, yes, to say the least, surely it shows Pakistan's double standards. The government of India, though, has been saying for quite some time now. Last came the official statement from the Home Minister on 2nd of this month when he said that, we are still waiting a response. And when I today got in touch with them, asking them about the possible reaction to this refusal just before the Home Secretary level talks are scheduled next week, they said that, it is pretty much on the expected lines because they were earlier expecting Pakistan to convey this to them during the Home Secretary level talks, that there is no provision under the Pakistani Penal Code for allowing a team from Indian side or a foreign country to investigate or record the statements of the suspects in the Pakistani custody. But the fact of the matter is that Pakistanis have decided to do it much before that. Clearly not keeping in mind the fact that Home Secretary level talks are scheduled, and India is very keen. India is very keen that if talks in any which way or forum have to progress, then at least some amount of progress has to be shown by Pakistanis on Mumbai 26/11 trial. At least some amount of sensitivity is to be shown. Now, clearly, India is all agreeing to allow their commission, but Pakistanis surely, as the reports suggest, do not have any inclination to allow the thought of a commission to come to Pakistan.
Definitely.